Then we'll move on to the hardware installation and nozzle distance correction. For the hardware installation, we must return the E and I axis to 0 first. Therefore, we have an home E axis and home I axis in the manual control page of our software page. We first click Home E button and then press Home I button. After checking the E axis and I axis are reset to 0, we can lock our material cartridges in clockwise. Next, in the manual control page, select E and I in extruder block, and then press the extruder button. Keep pressing the extruder button until we extrude the material from the tube. After the material extruded from the tube, we'll cover the tube with a plastic bag to prevent it from flowing to the floor or table. Then we'll leave it for 2 minutes until the pressure inside the tube is balanced, and make sure that it will not flow again. Then we have to install the nozzle first. When we install the nozzle, we use a hexagonal socket wrench to remove the cap on the nozzle. Next, to install our nozzle, directly put the nozzle into the nozzle cap. After the installation is complete, we put the nozzle back in place, and then put the screws back to the nozzle cap. After finishing installing the nozzle, we can do both home X and home Y axis. After that, we can lower down the Z axis. That is to increase the distance between the nozzle and the platform. After increasing the distance, we'll press Home Z button to reset Z axis to 0. After that, we can connect the mixing tubing with 2 material tubes. Next, in the manual control page, we first check whether the valve is operating normally. Press the Open Silicon Valve button, and then next the Close All Valves. After confirming the valve is working, then we start to extrude the material. We have to select E and I in extruder block as well when extruding the material. And next, we start to extrude the material. After the material is extruded, you can start the next step.